What's up, guys? Welcome back to 91 Gear BXO, your go-to zone for all things high performance and petrol-powered. Today, we're talking about a car that refuses to die quietly, the 2025 Ford Focus RS. And trust me, this isn't just another facelift or a basic trim shuffle. This is Ford bringing back the RS badge with attitude, tech, and raw, unfiltered performance. Right out the gate, you can tell the new Focus RS means business. It's got that signature aggressive stance, wide fenders, and sharper than ever body lines that scream speed even when it's parked. But here's the twist, Ford's made it more aerodynamic and lightweight without compromising its muscular look. Think tighter air vents, a sleeker rear diffuser, and that massive spoiler doing more than just looking cool. Under the hood, oh, it's a beast. Ford dropped in a re-engineered 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4, pushing out a staggering 400 horsepower. Yep, 400. It's turbocharged, it's direct injected, and it's angry. Mated to a slick shifting 6-speed manual or a snappy 7-speed dual clutch, the RS gives you options. But let's be real, if you're buying this thing, you're rowing your own gears. Ford also brought back the AWD system, but this time it's smarter, faster, and even more dynamic. With torque vectoring and an electronically controlled rear diff, it can throw nearly 70% of power to the rear wheels. That means tighter cornering, quicker launches, and yes, it still has drift mode. So if you want to leave some smoky art in the parking lot, you're covered. Inside the cabin, Ford kept the RS vibe alive. Recaro buckets grip you like a sports harness, Alcantara touches add that premium sporty feel, and the new digital cluster is fully customizable. You want track data, lap timers, real-time torque distribution graphics. It's all in there. Plus, the 13.2-inch Sync 4 screen keeps you connected with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a built-in track day coach. No kidding. But here's the curveball, it's also smarter. With mild hybrid tech paired to the 48-volt system, the new RS is more efficient than before, especially in city driving. It won't sip fuel like a Prius, but it's a far cry from the gas-guzzling image the RS once had. It's loud when you want it, quiet when you don't. A true dual-personality machine. And the sound. Oh man, Ford tuned this exhaust note to growl deep at low revs and scream when you push it past 6K. With active valves and customizable settings, you decide how much noise you want to make. Spoiler alert, you'll want to make a lot. So the 2025 Ford Focus RS is back, leaner, meaner, and smarter than ever. It's a hot hatch that still wants to eat supercars for breakfast while giving you enough comfort for the daily grind. If this is the last hurrah for gas-powered RS models, it's going out swinging. Let me know in the comments, would you take this over the Golf R or the new GR Corolla? Smash that like button if you're as hyped as I am, and don't forget to subscribe to 91 Gear BXO for more high-octane breakdowns.